morning, it's Liliana here from Vanillandcanela. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I'm in my car and I've just arrived to a local sort of town. I'm going to do a little bit of shopping. I need to go into Boots and Superdrug, get some bits of makeup, and there's a Poundland in here as well. So I'm going to try and film some stuff for you guys, so come along with me. So I'm back from shopping and I've got a haul to show you. So I ended up going to Boots, Superdrug and Poundland. So I went into Superdrug first. I wanted to get some makeup stuff, so I'm going to show you what I got. I picked up some foundation. This is the number down from the one I already have. The one I already have is a little bit too dark, and I've just put this one on. That's where I'm wearing now. And I think this is a little bit too light. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them up to see if I can get a shade that I'm really happy with. But that was $8.29. I also picked up some primer. This is called Primed and Ready Anti-Fatigue Illuminating Primer. So you guys can see. I think this was $3.99. I got my... Oh no, I don't. But anyway, so I needed a primer and I just saw this one. This is by Collection. Sorry, that's Rimmel. This is by Collection, which is usually really cheap. But I do quite like them. And I also picked up from Collection a Primed and Ready Invisible Setting Powder. This is the one I already have. I just finished. It's one of the reasons why I went out shopping. I needed some more setting powder. So I just picked some of that up. I really like that. And that is $3.99. And then finally, I also picked up so this is a pressed powder for normal to oily skin. Okay, so what I wanted was, sometimes I like just putting moisturizer on and I just need a little bit of coverage. So I think this will do. It's actually this is from Maybelline. It comes with, so the powder and then it has this and a mirror. Ooh. So, and that wasn't expensive either. I want to say that was $5.99. So that was, oh no, I was going to say that was all that I picked up, but I was walking past their clearance section and I came across these. They're basically sticker book and 2 washi tape rolls. I'm going to open one. These were 49p, which is why I picked them up. Okay, so this is what you're looking at. And I thought I could put this in my present basket, and it always makes a nice little gift. I know at least 2 teenagers who would love that. So I picked 2 up, and that was 49p. And it comes with 2 rolls of washi tape as well. So that was all that I picked up from Superdrug. I then thought I'll have a quick look around in Boots, and I didn't want to buy any makeup in Boots. I find Boots more expensive than Superdrug, but I wanted to have a look at their clearing section, and I was really pleased because here's what I found. Found this mug. This is by Zoella. If you don't know who Zoella is, I don't know where you've been. She's a huge YouTuber, and she's released her line of stuff. I've bought her stuff previously to give because, again, I have a teenager friend of the family, and these always make really nice gifts. She loves Zoella, but I might actually keep that for myself. Now, the price says $8.50, but everything was half price, so I got this for $4.25, which I thought was good. I really, really like the teal inside, and it says cozy vibes. So I'm actually keeping this for myself. I also saw another one of Zoella's products. This is a journal, and again, you can see it says £14. I paid $7. Let me just, I'm going to open it up and see what it's like. I haven't decided if I want to keep it for myself or if I'm going to give it away. Yeah, it's just a plain lined book. Does it have anything on the front? No, it's nicely, yeah, to be honest, I do not need another journal / book, so I'm going to keep this and maybe give it to that teenager friend when her birthday comes. So that was all that I picked up from Boots, and then I went on to Poundland. So the first thing I picked up was one of these frames. I think these are awesomely priced. I think these are really good price. So they were £1. You've seen me haul these before, and actually I basically just print out little printables and put them in these, and they would be great for photos as well. So cute. For £1, obviously. Everything I got was £1. As I've said before, you guys know that now that Poundland, and you might have noticed in the footage that I showed you, they sell stuff for £2 and £5, etc. So, but everything I picked up was £1. I love this sign. I just had to pick it up. It says, "Love you to the moon and back," which is something we say to Alex all the time. And I love, can you guys see, they've got these little nails and they've done little drawings with it. I just think that was so cute for £1. Probably my favorite thing that I found today. I also got one of these gift bags. I've bought them before. They're really good, really sturdy, and you can never have enough gift bags. Got some Dove. These are shea butter soap bars. There's 2 in there. So fairly good price. I mean, I bought 2 from Lidl last weekend, and I think that was 99p. So, you know, but it's still a good price. They also were selling glue sticks and glue guns in there. I didn't buy the glue gun, but I thought I'd get the glue sticks and give them a try. And there's actually 32 in a pack. Bargain. I got a handheld brush cleaner. Thought I'd give this a go. Basically, you just put your fingers in there and then rub your brushes on them. It's like silicone, so it's nice and sturdy, but so Paul's favourite, Toblerone. Also saw these fudge minis. Why not? I got some hair removal cream. This is not a huge packet, but I think it's still a really good deal. So got some of that. You guys know I love my foot packs from Poundland, so I got one more. They only had this type. This is probably my least favorite. I really like the tea tree oil, I think it is. But this is argan oil, but it's still lovely. And then finally, I picked up one of these. These are sink tidy. I have actually put them on my sink and they fit, so I was really pleased with that. And yeah, I think I spent £12 in Poundland. So I went out to get some makeup setting powder and came back with all of this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.